Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a day in my life video on the CapCut mobile. So if you want to recap your days and create the vlog, you can just go to the CapCut to create it. And here you can just go to templates and click on the search column at the top. Then just search for a day in my life as the keyword. Click on enter. Now CapCut will provide you with lots of templates that you can use, so you can just select one of the templates. For example, I'm going to use this one. Then just click on the use template and then just add your photos or videos on the day. Okay, so I've already choose the template and I already add the video. Okay, so these are the preview. Here, if the creator allows you, you can change the audio and also the text to your own text. After that, just click on export. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.